Devin Booker continues to carve out his own lane in Nike's lifestyle lineup, choosing the Nike Blazer Low as his signature canvas while other NBA stars lean toward the Air Force One. His latest upcoming duo takes inspiration from his deep connection to Michigan and his love for baseball, specifically the Detroit Tigers. The standout pair features eye-catching blue and orange tiger stripes, highlighted by book branding on the heel and the Tigers' iconic Old English logo on the side. The second pair balances the collection with a clean pearl gray finish, reflecting the team's road uniforms. Design details include an exposed foam tongue, diagonal lacing inspired by baseball mitts, a subtle brogue-style welt pattern, and a mini swoosh on the toe. Booker's passion for the sport is well documented, including his ceremonial first pitch at Comerica Park. The Nike Blazer Low Duo is expected spring-summer 2026, priced at $135 US.